Palos Verdes. Today it's a little bit cloudy, which is why we decided that today would be a hiking day. I just soaked my shoes trying to get good footage of the ocean, but I'm really hoping it was worth it because we literally just started our hike and now my shoes are absolutely soaked. Danger, do not enter. Let's see who I found behind the danger do not enter sign. There is a lot of poison ivy in here. Nicole and I are not allergic to poison ivy, however, it's still important not to touch it because if we do touch it and then touch our bags and then anything else that we may touch after we touch our bags can be spread to other people. Are you done in the danger zone? I love how you can see all the different layers of the rock. Beautiful little outlook spot. The rock formation here is so incredible. Alright, so it's getting to be about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we are not planning on going and having a big meal until after we are done hiking. So we're gonna snack on some nuts for now on the edge of this cliff and continue on our journey. Real live, legit cactuses. That one looks like an animal. I really wish I brought shoes other than my Alpha Bounces to go hiking. They are getting slightly destroyed, but having too much fun to worry about it right now. Yeah. Getting, holy shit. The area that we're walking on now is off of the original path that we took, but it is still along the same cliff that we've been walking along. So we just kind of continued on because it is so beautiful. Made it to the end of the path along the cliff and there is a cute little community garden and I just thought that it was really cute. See, they've got all kinds of vegetables and stuff in there. Palos Verdes is one of the places that it looks like it's something out of a movie. It doesn't even feel like real life. Moment when your hiking trail is right outside of a place called Trump National Golf Club. After another long day, we are here at Veggie Grill, which I am super excited. I have always wanted to try this place. We just ordered and we are sitting outside now waiting for our food. Have you ever tried anything like this before?
No, and I just want to eat. I'm sorry. Holy fruit, this is so good. What the hell?
You don't even like stuff like this, do you?
I never eat stuff like this. Right?
right now. We just went through security and we still have about 3.5 hours before our flight, so we are just doing some airport yoga and then we're gonna get some schoolwork done and hopefully sleep on the plane ride home. We are tired, really tired.
I can't have a bed.
Please maintain contact.
We have like a fort here made of our things.
By
There's not really anyone around us right now, so it's okay. It might get a little bit busier as the time for our flight comes closer. But as for now, we are going to do some yoga and chill.